everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another Allure. Apparently I'm saying it wrong. It's not Allure, it's Allure. Anyway, so this is February's Allure Beauty Box, and let's see what we got inside. I'm excited to see what the pouch looks like this month because last month it was red. So here it is. It's black this month. It's right here. Cute. I love black. There's a little magazine here as always, and you have, what is this? Shop Everyday Gorjana? Is that what that is? I don't know. But it's good. It's a little, looks like you can get a $25 gift. So that's cool. Anyway, so here's a little magazine with everything that's inside. I'm not going to go into this right now because I want to see what's in here. I want it to be a surprise. So here's a little pouch. It's black, same kind of design. That little, the two snaps on each side. All right. First thing that I'm picking out is a little makeup brush. It looks like a little eyeliner, not eyeliner, a little eyeshadow brush in gold. It's got cool, like a cool texture on the handle. It feels kind of rough and it's got like a weird angle. Maybe it's just like to get into like the inner corner or something. Let's see. So this is Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. So it's a precise shading brush. This is $4.99 for this brush at modabrush.com. Exciting. All right, let's see. Next item in our pouch. Ooh, what is this? This is Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. That's cool. It's all gold. Is everything gold in this box? I don't know, but these two so far are gold. So this is a cool little mascara bottle. Is this brown mascara? No, I think it's black. Black, it's definitely black. I like the wand. I'll show you guys up close what the wand looks like, but it looks like it's kind of tapered in and it's not too thick, so you can really get to those lashes to add volume and length. So this mascara, I've never heard of Wonder Beauty. So this mascara is $26 for the full size. I wonder if this is the full size one. It literally looks just like the one in the picture. Yep, and it says it's 10 grams, 0.35 ounces. So yeah, this is a full size mascara, $26. Our box is only $15 a month, so that's pretty cool. Apparently it gives lift, volume, and length. All about mascaras. I love having big, voluminous lashes. And let's dig in for the next item. Is it another brush? Okay, no. What is this? Tinted brow gel with microfibers. Okay. So this is a brow gel which I don't have right now, so I'm excited for this. This is by the brand The Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. I can't speak. It says the Insta Tint Brown Hair 02, which is in brown. I like that it's in brown. And it's like a darker brown color. And yeah, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's got a really, really tiny wand. Wow, when they say precise, they mean precise. Okay, we'll have to give that a try. That's interesting. So this is the full price for $22. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's our third item. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, Mykonos. Ooh, Greece. I want to go to Greece. What is this eyeshadow about? Let's see. Oh. So when you open it up, it is an eyeshadow trio. These are really pretty. They're metallic shades. So there's like a brown, a pinky purpley color up here, and then like a I don't even know what color this is. It looks like corally kind of browny color. They look really pretty. So this is in the shade Mykonos and $15. Okay, next thing in here is a I don't even know how to say this. Mamond Petal Spa Oil to Foam. So this is an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. So it's a makeup remover. Full price is going to be $21. It starts off as an oil, then with water transforms into a foam. It dissolves foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. So that sounds pretty exciting and promising. So we'll give this a shot probably tonight. All right, we got 2 more things in here. The next thing that we have in here is a lip gloss, lipstick lip gloss. This is from the brand Mally, and I think this is the same brand that we got our, was it? No, it was an eyeshadow stick that was in January's box. So this is, it looks like a really pretty pinky color that matches my shirt. But yes, it is a lip gloss. It smells really nice, like really perfumey, kind of flowery. I don't even know. So we got, I guess you could have gotten either one of these 3 items here. We got the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. It says this, and the price is $21. Apparently it is rich and creamy and glossy. It covers lips in luxe shiny color. It looks more like a highly pigmented gloss than a traditional liquid lipstick, which means you don't have to be as precise when you put it on. Perfect, because I suck at putting on lipstick. You'll get 1 of 5 shades in your box. They range from pink to burgundy, but they all have one thing in common. They're really good at making your lips appear fuller and sexier. Great, because I've got tiny lips. Well, the top one's pretty tiny. Okay, so I'm excited to try that one. I love the color. I love pinky nudie colors. And we got 1 more item in our bag, and that is a mask. But this is by the same brand as the oil cleanser, which is Mamond Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose, and that is the same as the cleanser. The cleanser is rose. And it says Mamond reinvents beauty by cultivating the power and energy derived from flowers. So I might try these 2 together tonight. That sounds pretty nice. And that's everything in the box, guys. So we got, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got actually 7 items in this box. Well, I must say this box is definitely, or bag box, is definitely a win for $15. Definitely pick it up if you haven't already. I will leave the link down below. And it actually came early this time. It didn't come in March like my January one that came at the beginning of this month. Also, I did want to mention, guys, that the bag is torn on the side, so that's how it arrived. It's fine on this side, but this side is got a little hole. Sad times. And I think my red one had holes on both sides too, and I thought that that's how the bag was. I don't know why, but my red one has exactly the same thing going on. I don't know if anybody else's has come like this with holes on each side. Let me know in the comments down below. All right. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and then hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye!